popularity of ISAs has largely been down to their sheer simplicity. Over the years, a number of developments have made ISAs even more attractive, including the flexible ISA. In this video, we will break down what flexible ISAs are, their benefits, and why you might choose to go with them over other ISA types. What is a flexible ISA? A flexible ISA allows you to withdraw money from your ISA and pay it back in without losing your ISA allowance, provided you do so within the same tax year. They were introduced in 2016, adding a new level of versatility to this type of investment. Not all ISAs are flexible. Currently, junior ISAs and lifetime ISAs are not. Cash ISAs and stocks and shares ISAs can be flexible, but the flexibility varies between providers. Essentially, a flexible ISA is designed to prevent you from being penalised if you need to access your savings. How does this differ to a traditional ISA? Let's look at the numbers. If you deposit £10,000 in a stocks and shares flexible ISA at the beginning of the tax year, and then later want to withdraw £5,000, you're now left with £5,000 of your original investment in your ISA. With a flexible ISA, you can still contribute £15,000 that tax year because your allowance is calculated on a net basis. Whereas with a typical ISA, you can only contribute £10,000 more during the same tax year because only deposits are counted towards your allowance. The freedom to withdraw and redeposit funds in a flexible ISA sets these products apart from the other offerings on the market. You wouldn't need to commit to locking up your money for extended periods or worry about losing the tax relief if you had to withdraw funds. As such, it might be better to seek out flexible ISA options over the traditional non-flexible version. When it comes to picking what type of ISA is best for you, it's dependent on your needs and plans for accessing your funds in the future. Subscribe to XTB to learn more about trading and investing.